Meet the 2024 Corvette E-Ray, Chevy's first electrified supercar. A wide-body design with that dipped-in-paint finish, pure street presence. A V8 plus an electric motor team up for a wild 655 horsepower. 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds, the quickest Corvette ever. With all-wheel drive, this Corvette owns every season, every road. Need quiet? Stealth mode lets you cruise on electric power alone. Inside, a fighter jet cockpit with digital performance at your fingertips. Starting at 104K, the Corvette E-Ray is speed, tech, and thrill, electrified.